Coming in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hello everyone, this is Michael Guest and welcome to the hometown. You know, they say that the difference between animals and human beings is our level of communication. And if that's true, it's a great time to be alive because there is a communications revolution in progress. Right now, we are webcasting live around the world here at the Texas State Fair, one of my favorite places to go every year. And we're going to try to teach you how to do the same thing yourself, webcasting live from your web page. This is something that's an important technology. It's going to change the face of the earth that we know as more and more people are heard. Stay tuned. We'll be back. We got a backup copy there in the camper, and then